Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access the data folder on Xiaomi devices. Android security measures typically restrict direct access to this folder, which contains sensitive application data. However, there are several effective methods to gain entry, depending on whether your device is rooted or not. Understanding these approaches will help you manage your files more effectively and troubleshoot app-related issues. We will explore both non-rooted and rooted options to give you a complete picture of how to proceed. For non-rooted Xiaomi devices, you have a few options. One common method is connecting your phone to a computer via a USB cable and selecting file transfer mode. This allows you to browse some internal storage, including the Android/data and Android/ob folders, though access might be limited by Android's security policies. Alternatively, certain third-party file managers, like Solid Explorer or My Explorer, can offer more extensive access after granting them special permissions. A DB, or Android Debug Bridge, is another powerful tool for advanced users. If your Xiaomi device is rooted, accessing the data folder becomes much simpler and more comprehensive. Rooting essentially gives you superuser permissions, allowing you to bypass Android's default security restrictions. With a root file explorer, such as Solid Explorer or My Explorer with root access enabled, you can navigate directly to the /data directory. This provides full read and write access to all application data, offering unparalleled control over your device's file system. Remember to exercise caution when modifying files in this sensitive area. When accessing or modifying files within the data folder, it is crucial to proceed with caution. Always create a complete backup of your important data before making any significant changes to prevent accidental data loss. Incorrectly modifying system files can lead to your device becoming unstable or even inoperable, sometimes referred to as bricking it. Furthermore, be aware that rooting your Xiaomi device will generally void its manufacturer's warranty, so consider these implications carefully before proceeding with any advanced modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.